CIA.
Road rage incident, please. Please. I just can't. Oh God, please, please, please. Yeah, we're gonna stay right here. We have a fucking camera. We saw you hit us.
You cutting me off from over there. Don't give me that shit.
Can I open my window up, please?
Don't worry about it. Go to the top. Go to the top. Go to the top.
Like I want him to do stuff on the vehicle.
You came into my lane. You came into my lane. Why is your window down?
I'm trying to put it up, and you won't pull it up.
It's all on video.
Don't move. Don't move. She's gonna stay in the fucking way. She's gonna make you hit her.
That's fine.
I did record it. And I can't put my fucking window up.
I'm gonna get out of the road.
No, we're getting out of the road! Stop! We're getting out of the road! We're getting out of the road! Relax! Let's get out the... Yeah, we are! Get out of the way! We won!
Ah! Call 911.
Okay, like, this is ridiculous.
Assist is set to off. Therefore, a 911 call will not be made by sync. 911 assist is set to off. Therefore, a 911 call will not be made by sync.
You fucking piece of shit!
No. What? Homer? Oh, no more pussy. Are you on your way back? No, I got in a car accident.
fucking hell was that? What the fucking hell was that? You're on camera. You're on camera. You're on camera.